Hey, what you doing, baby? Is that your tool belt? Is that your tool belt?
Uh-huh.
So he's been like this for a little while. He's just wandering around with his tool belt on. And some tools in him.
Back and forth and back and forth.
He's looking for something to work on.
Here. Here, LJ, show Daddy how you can do these. Uh-huh. Yep, and then you turn it.
Oh, it's okay, LJ. Hey.
Uh-huh. Now that one goes on the bottom.
Okay, so LJ's got a tool belt and nifty plastic tools.
Mm-hmm.
See,
And even got a hard hat.
see, like that saw right there. Ooh, yeah, and the hard hat. So here's his toolbox.
And can't forget the drill.
The drill.
Brum, 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 brum.
There's a screw bit in there for it somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. That's okay.
I think he already took it out.
Okay.
And he's even got a level.
And a right angle. Okay.
He's got a wrench
LJ.
and pliers and calipers.
Caliper.
Here, that can go in your tool belt right there. Uh-huh. Oh, and can't forget the tape measure.
Awesome. A tape measure.
And then you wind it up.
Okay. See you guys later.
Here it is.
Oh, you found it.
Hey, look, see? There we go. Look, see, LG? But I think it only goes one direction.
Yes, it does. It screws them in. Okay. Bye-bye.